that best fits the word underlined here. Question number 16. And I hope you're enjoying this class and following me. And while you're sipping your juice and eating your biscuit, please just open your eyes sharply to understand this. The discussion became animated. The discussion became animated. Animated here is underlined. It's underlined. A, specialized. A, specialized. B, lively. C, intellectual. And D, opinionated. D, only D option 1 to put D. And D, stagnant. The discussion became animated. A, specialized. B, lively. C, intellectual. And D, stagnant. Animated here is underlined. And we're talking about, we're looking at the nearest in meaning. So now, like I said earlier on, that if you do not have an idea of the in-depth definition of some words, it will probably be difficult for you to understand how to go about it and how to tackle and get the answers correctly. Now, the word animated here, another word for animated here is something of a cheerful nature, something that is interesting, something that is lively. So if your guess is as good as mine, you realize that lively here best fits the answer, best fits it, and in replacement of the word animated here. So the discussion became lively in replacement with the word animated. The discussion became lively. I'm going to be once again to quickly clean this board. And also while this is going on, do not forget that this is Lankotheory Educational Services, where we dish out the best and we leave no stone unturned as to delivering of the best and in services, in educational services. And numbers are on the board. You could contact us and ask questions you want to ask. You could, for additional information also, you can do that also. Question number 17. Question number 17. Rich citizens are often niggardly. The word niggardly here is underlined. Often niggardly in their ways. In their ways. In their ways. A, beggarly. A, beggarly. B, sordid. And C, misery. Now, rich citizens are often niggardly in their ways. Now, if you do not understand the meaning of words, then there's going to be a problem. So I advise that you try out new words daily, check out the meaning, and use it in sentences so as to be familiar with it and get deeply rooted to its definition and its usage also. Rich citizens are often niggardly in their ways. What is the meaning of this word niggardly? The word niggardly means somebody or something that is ungenerous. Ungenerous in their spending. Ungenerous in their spending. Or better put, ungenerous with money. Let's use that word. Ungenerous with money. The meaning of niggardly here is somebody that is ungenerous with money. So now from my definition now, you could say that it's not beggarly, you could say that it's not sordid, but you could say that it's miserly. So ladies and gentlemen, rich citizens are often miserly in their ways. That is the answer. Number 18. Number 18. Please follow me as we go on into this class. Number 18. The musician popularity is beginning to decline. Is beginning to decline. Is beginning to decline. A, so the word decline is on the line there. A, change. B, wane. C, slide. And D, buried. The musician popularity is beginning to decline. A, change. B, wane. C, slide. And D, buried. This is also talking about spellings in word, and also how effectively you understand the definition of some words. The word decline here in this context does not mean change, does not mean to slide, does not mean to be buried, but means to wane. Another word for wane, if you ask me, is fade. Another word for wane is fade. So the musician popularity is beginning to decline, or is beginning to wane, or is beginning to fade. Question number 19. Lankotheory promised to look out for is underlined. Lanko promised to look out for her next time he is in town. The word look out for there is underlined. A, watch for. B, visit. C, greet. And D, take care of. Now, this answer might be surprising to most of us, but it is the correct answer. Lankotheory promised to look out for her next time he is in town. Some of you might say, watch out for her, but it's absolutely wrong. But visit, B, is the correct answer. Because in trying to look out for somebody when he's in town, he has already spelled it very clearly that he would look for her, would visit her. So B, visit, is the best answer here. Number 20. Now, in this next part, we'll be choosing the option that has the same vowel sound as the one represented by the letter. That has the same vowel sound. As the one represented by the letter. So, question number 20, the word F-A-E-C-E-S. The A-E here is underlined, and I have option A as P-O-L-I-C-I-E-S, option B as P-A-I-N, and option C as P-E-A-S-A-N-T. Now, please follow me. I've taken a different turn into oral form of English now. Don't forget that I said that most of the questions can be coined from all of the topics that we've had. Most of the questions can be coined from the topic that we had. So now let me just take a step at this one. 20. Now we choose the one that has the same exact vowel sound as the letters on the line. Now this word is pronounced as physis, not physis or physics. This is pronounced as physis, not physics or physis or physis. This is pronounced as physis. Now, the word policies does not work, the word pain does not work, but the word present works. So, present and physis. This is present. So, this one here is the correct answer that has the same vowel sound as the word underlined here. I hope you get that very well. So, all right. Question number 21. Leopard. Leopard, and option A we have Geology, and option B we have People, and option C we have Led. And so all right, now This is one of the that most students pronounce wrongly. Many of you will say this is leopard. Now that's the wrong pronunciation. It is not pronounced as leopard. It is pronounced as leopard. It is pronounced as leopard. Before I answer this question, common mispronounced words are C-O-M-B, B-O-M-B. Now the word C-O-M-B, like you say, is comb. It's not comb. The B here is silent. It's pronounced as comb. And B-O-M-B, like I say, they have bombed the place. No, they have not bombed the place. They have bombed the place. B-O-M. The B here is silent. So you pronounce this as bomb and not bomb. So now this word here is pronounced as leopard and not leopard. And so from all the options here, which one do you think best fits the vowel sound? And is this one, option C, who has the lead. So this is, the ontology does not fit in, people does not fit in. This word is pronounced as leopard and not leopard. It is pronounced as leopard. Now, quick one that most of us pronounce wrongly before I swipe to something else. I'm going to clean this one. Now, most people pronounce this word wrongly. Now, this word here is not champagne. It's not champagne, rather. It's not champagne. This word here is not champagne, but this word here is pronounced as champagne. The same pronunciation you go with shampoo. This word is pronounced as champagne, not champagne. This is pronounced as champagne and not champagne. Many of us, especially those who are from our brothers from the other region, now they pronounce C-H-U-R-C-H as Cersei or Sus. No, this is pronounced as church, not Cersei. So this word is pronounced as champagne. When we go deeply into the oral form, you see why all of these words are being pronounced this way and why some words are silent and why some words are not silent. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to stop here for today. And quickly, before I drop the pen, I would like to inform you that at Lankotheory Educational Services, we have varieties of services that we render to the people and to the public in general. We have coaching classes for IGMB programs and JUPE programs. Ladies and gentlemen, you have to apply and register. Stop complaining that JAM has messed you up. Start wondering why there's no admission for over some years. No, you can't sit down at home any longer, because at Lankotheory Educational Services, where we run coaching classes and centers for IGMB and JUPE programs, you are sure of admission into 200 level. So if your guess is as good as mine, then you have to grab this opportunity. Admission is ongoing. The numbers are still on the board: 0803-829-5398. You can call those numbers, and also you can also log on to the website, and you can check on all our social media platforms, and you get more information on how to go about this. I'll see you next class.